Hey there, hustlers. Welcome back to our channel, Kingdom Cash, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest ways to boost your income and achieve financial freedom. Today, we're unveiling the side hustle you never thought could make $5K a month, niche product flipping. If you're tired of the same old side hustle advice and ready to discover something new and exciting, you're in the right place. Imagine the thrill of making thousands of dollars every month by simply buying and reselling unique, high-demand items. This isn't a dream, it's a reality. Stick around because we'll show you how niche product flipping can become your golden ticket to financial success. First, let's talk about what niche product flipping is. It's all about uncovering unique, in-demand items at a lower price and selling them at a profit. The key here is niche. We're not talking about generic, everyday products, but rather those hidden gems that people are passionate about and willing to pay a premium for. These are the items that tell a story, that ignite a spark of interest in the hearts of buyers. So why should you consider niche product flipping? Here are 3 powerful reasons. 1. High profit margins. By focusing on niche markets, you can often buy products at a low cost and sell them at significantly higher prices. 2. Low competition. Unlike mainstream products, niche items have less competition, making it easier for you to stand out and make sales. 3. Flexibility. This is a side hustle that bends to your schedule, not the other way around. You can do this from anywhere, at any time, making it the perfect side hustle for busy individuals who want to take control of their financial future. Now let's get into the practical tips and advice on how to start. Here are some hot niche products you can flip and where to find them. 1. Vintage clothing. Thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces like eBay and Depop are treasure troves for vintage clothing. Look for unique, branded, or rare items that fashion enthusiasts will love. 2. Collectible toys and games. Hit up flea markets, estate sales, and even your attic for vintage toys and board games. Items like old Pokemon cards, Lego sets, and rare action figures can fetch high prices online. 3. Handcrafted goods. Visit local craft fairs or browse Etsy for handmade jewelry, pottery, and art. You can often buy directly from artisans at lower prices and resell them with a markup. 4. Antique furniture. Check out estate sales, auctions, and antique shops. With some refurbishing, antique furniture can be a goldmine, especially for interior design enthusiasts. Here are some top platforms to maximize your profits. 1. eBay. eBay is one of the most versatile and user-friendly platforms for selling various products. Whether you have vintage clothing, collectible toys, or rare action figures, eBay's massive global audience makes it easy to find buyers for almost anything. Here's why eBay stands out. Auction and buy it now options. You can auction your items to the highest bidder or set a fixed price. International reach. Sell to buyers worldwide, expanding your potential market significantly. Seller Tools eBay offers powerful tools to help you list items, track sales, and manage customer service. 2. Etsy. Etsy is the go-to platform for all things vintage and handmade. Etsy is your best bet for flipping items like antique jewelry, handcrafted goods, or retro home decor. Here's what makes Etsy a fantastic choice. Niche community. Etsy buyers are specifically looking for unique, high-quality items. Easy to set up. Opening a shop on Etsy is straightforward, and the platform offers plenty of resources to help you succeed. Customizable listings. With options to add detailed descriptions, multiple photos, and custom tags, you can make your listings stand out. 3. Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is ideal for local sales and larger items like furniture. Here's why you should consider it for your niche product flipping business. Local reach. Connect with buyers in your area, which is perfect for items that are costly to ship. No listing fees. Unlike many other platforms, Facebook Marketplace doesn't charge fees for listing items, making it a cost-effective option. Easy communication. Buyers can message you through Facebook, making the negotiation and transaction process seamless. 4. Amazon. Amazon is an excellent platform for selling collectibles and niche books. If you have items that fit into these categories, here's why Amazon is a great choice. Massive customer base. With millions of users, Amazon gives you access to a vast potential market. Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. This service allows you to store your products in Amazon's warehouses, which handle shipping, returns, and customer service. trust and credibility. Amazon's reputation for reliable service can help build trust with buyers, potentially leading to higher sales. And there you have it. With niche product flipping, you can turn your passion for unique items into a profitable side hustle, potentially making $5,000 monthly or more. The best part? You get to explore fascinating products and connect with like-minded enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in, hustlers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for making money. And remember, be kind, be humble, and be generous. Until next time, happy flipping.